The stuff in this bottle will take this cookie to another level. It has 2 ingredients, and I'm going to show you how to make this. Let's get started. What is this magic ingredient? It's butter extract, and right now I'm going to show you how to make it, and later on I'll explain to you how you can use it. First, you're going to take 115 grams of butter, or a half a cup, and put it in the pan. You're going to take 1 cup of vodka. This is 80 proof, and we're going to pour that in the butter. Heat it up a little bit so I can get this mixed up. And I've turned it on very low, and I'm just going to make sure this is warm enough to stir up. You want to get this really well stirred before you actually start the cooking of it. So I've turned that off because the butter's starting to melt in, and I'm just going to make sure that this is heated up before we actually get this, stirred up so that we can get this cohesively mixed together before we start really heating it up. As you can see, this is mixed in really well. There are no chunks. So I'm turning the heat back on. I'm going to turn that down to low, and now you're going to stir this every once in a while and just make sure that this is not boiling at all. You do not want to burn the alcohol off because of the next step. So we will just make sure that this stays right under boiling, and just let this heat up for about 5 minutes. But we're trying to infuse that butter taste in that vodka, and it smells amazing. Absolutely smells amazing. This looks nice and yellow. We're turning this off, and we need to cover that with a lid. And so now we will wait 5 or 6 hours and come back and make the next step. So the butter has frozen. The liquid that we've hopefully flavored with the butter flavor is, because it's alcohol, has not frozen. And so we are going to separate these now to gather that liquid. I have a piece of cheesecloth here, and it's about 4 layers of a cheesecloth. You can use a towel or anything you want to. We're just going to get all of that into that container. Ooh, that's cold. Ooh. Okay. Let's see, we're going to continue on here. We're going to squeeze that. Get as much of that as we can. Okay, and now we've got something that smells really good. I'm just not sure about the taste, so I'm going to give that a little taste. Oh my goodness, it does. It definitely has a very butter taste. You can still taste the alcohol a little bit. It's like vanilla when you make homemade vanilla, or buy vanilla that's a high-end product. It really, really nice taste. I do have a bottle over here. I just bought them on Amazon, pretty inexpensive. And I have a little funnel. And I'm going to put this right in here. Put the top on. And if you're not going to use this immediately, you want to put this in the refrigerator. This is called a Woozy bottle. Love these bottles. It's got a flip top. You can shake it into this, you know, whatever you're cooking or into your measuring spoon. But there's your secret ingredient, butter extract. This is great for cookies or cakes or anything that you're using butter in. You know, it just adds, it's like using vanilla. This just makes a buttery taste even buttery. A buttery taste even butterier. And we are using this in a cookie recipe, and I look forward to seeing what you think. If you have any other extracts or things that you've made, let me know. So here's our almond extract. Nope. Oh my God. I hate this bottle more than I can possibly explain to anyone right now because this is take 46. Okay.